In this video, I will show you how to change the screen timeout in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So first, what we need to do is go to the Windows settings. So let's search for the settings. And now here we need to go to the system. If we scroll down a little bit, we'll be able to find the power settings. And now here we need to go to these settings, the screen sleep and hibernate timeouts. Here you can change 3 different settings. This is for the screen to turn off, also to make the computer to sleep, and also to make the computer to hibernate. So here, as you can see, we have different options. You can change the time, and also you can select to never turn off the screen, and also to never sleep or to never hibernate. So you can do whatever you want and select the settings that you find most suitable for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.